Hello viewers, today in this video I am gonna show you how to fix Instagram network not working problem on 2026. Okay, let's start the video. First of all, click on Instagram apps. See, this is a problem, then let's solve this problem. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your phone setting and follow my step by step. Scroll down. Now tap on apps. Find the Instagram apps here or tap on the search icon. Now search for Instagram apps. Now tap on Instagram apps. Scroll down. Now tap on storage. Now tap on clear cache and clear data. Now tap on force stop and OK. Scroll up, now tap on permission. Allow all as permission now. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your Play Store, update your Instagram apps. Now search icon and search for Instagram apps. Now tap on Instagram apps. It is already updated. Now go back your home screen and restart your device. Now tap on restart. Now go to your Instagram apps. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem. Thank you.